like this? Listen, does this sound like hell?
Sounds like John Carpenter, right? If it was faster.
Yeah.
John Carpenter music.
Yeah.
Right?
What does hell sound like to you?
What do you think? Does that sound like hell? Does it? It's forever.
That's pretty annoying.
It is?
Yeah.
I'd like to hear that until the end of time.
Sounds like evil carnival music.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, how would you like to hear that in your head that all the rest of your eternity?
No thanks. Do you?
No. I hope that doesn't
You hear
happen.
it now?
No, I was playing the record player when I got to the middle part and went like this, and it would do that.
Ah, stop it!
I would like to hear that the rest of the eternity.
How about a toilet flushing for the rest of eternity?